Neuron AI is a technology provider specialized in the field of machine learning. Neuron AI is based on a team of people with many years of experience in research and development of machine learning solutions. In particular, Neuron AI is active in the technological field of automated machine learning by supporting the industrial processes of its clients. The company successfully combines two key concepts of sustainable development: those of technological innovation and scientific excellence, aiming to produce innovative solutions that will generate new markets by disrupting conventional value chains. To help industries build their own predictive maintenance workflows tailored to their needs by removing unnecessary complexity. 80% of the maintenance time spent by industries is wasted for reacting to machinery issues instead of preventing them. This costs a lot of money, a lot of time, and results in bad quality of products. At the same time, small industries do not have the financial and human resources to build their own tools for predictive maintenance. As a final result, OptiPLANT delivered a cloud-based solution based on automated machine learning that empowers professional and non-professional data scientists to build high-quality predictive models for timely and optimized maintenance of the industrial machinery. OptiPLANT has been tested using real data taken from a pilot manufacturing line of automated car parking solution. Based on the results, OptiPLANT increases the overall plant availability by reducing the downtime of the machinery by 23.91%, from 4.6% downtime to 3.5%.